Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the one question every player in Steal a Brain Rot has been asking. When exactly is the Taco Tuesday admin abuse event happening? Well, after tons of speculation and confusion, we finally have the official answer. The brand new admin abuse event is confirmed to go live today, October 28th at exactly 6 p.m. Eastern Time, following the same pattern as last week's chaos. And trust me, this is not your regular update. The second it launches, the entire server is going to light up with new activity, admin events, rare drops, exclusive brain rots, and limited edition rewards that will only be available for a short time. According to early leaks and community reports, there might even be secret challenges hidden inside the event. Players who join right as it begins could be the first to unlock them and possibly get unique in-game items that others won't ever see again. Now, if you've experienced previous Taco Tuesday events, you already know what to expect: pure, unpredictable chaos. One moment it's calm, and the next, admins are spawning random bosses, mysterious objects, or dropping rare loot in the middle of the map without any warning. That's what makes this event so exciting. You never know what's coming next. But don't worry if you're watching from another part of the world. I'll be showing a complete release time breakdown for every major region, including North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. So no matter where you live, you'll know exactly when to log in and be ready for the madness to begin. Make sure you're online at least 10 to 15 minutes early, because once the event starts, servers will fill up almost instantly. Thousands of players are expected to join at the same time, and if you're late, you might miss the opening drops completely. This update is packed with everything players love: new brain rots, event-exclusive rewards, hidden developer surprises, and maybe even a few unannounced admin spawns. It's easily shaping up to be one of the most exciting and unpredictable events we've ever seen in Steal a Brain Rot. So get your reminders set, gather your teammates, and prepare for absolute chaos. Because tonight, at 6 p.m. Eastern, the Taco Tuesday admin abuse event officially begins. And it's going to be one of the wildest and most unforgettable moments in the game's history. Stay tuned, because I'll be covering all the live updates, hidden challenges, and secret drops right here on the channel as soon as the event goes live. You don't want to miss this one.